In Python, not every method on a class needs to work with a specific object. Today we look at two alternatives to the ordinary instance method, class method and static method. An instance method always gets a reference to the object it was called on. A class method gets the class instead. A static method gets neither. It is just ordinary code that happens to live inside the class. A class method is linked to the class and can touch class-level data. A static method is completely independent. Python passes it nothing automatically, so it can only work with the arguments you give it directly. Here is a circle class. It stores pi as a class attribute, one value shared by every circle, not belonging to any single instance. The area method is a regular instance method. It receives self, so it can read that particular circle's radius and multiply it by pi. From underscore diameter is decorated with @sign class method. Python passes the class itself as CLS, so we can call CLS to create a brand new circle from a diameter without needing an existing object. Is underscore valid underscore radius is decorated with @sign static method. It only checks whether a number is positive. It never needs the class or any object, so Python passes it nothing automatically. We create C1 directly with radius 5, then create C2 from a diameter of 10 using the class method. Both produce the same area. Finally, the static method simply checks whether a number is a valid radius, no object required. The rule is simple. Let the data decide. If the method touches an object, use self. If it touches the class, use CLS with class method. If it touches neither, a static method keeps things tidy without any hidden coupling.